Welcome to a new video, everybody. Today we're going to be doing something just a little bit different. We're not going to be installing a mod. Instead, we're going to be cleaning inside the car. More specifically, we're going to be cleaning the protective mats that I have in the car. A lot of you guys have been sending me messages and commenting about them, so I thought I'd go ahead and make a video showing how to clean them and, answering a few questions that I've got about like where I got them and how much they were. So let's go ahead and take a look at them. Alrighty, so these are the mats that I was speaking of, just in case you hadn't seen any of my earlier videos and didn't quite know what I was talking about. I picked up these 4 protective mats in one pack actually for $20 from Walmart. They had a bunch of different colors, blue, yellow, green, I think. So I saw the red and I was like, yep, I gotta have those. And if you look up here at the top at the driver's side, they actually have these little sections kind of, in little areas so that you can cut them and fit your pedals and everything in there. So yeah, I've got these pretty dirty. It's been rainy the past couple days and I've been stepping in all kinds of gunk. So let's go ahead and get these all shiny and looking new again. I went ahead and picked up some brushes that will fit into my drill, and I got them with some pretty stiff bristles so that I can make sure and get in these crevices real good. These are like hard, rubber mats, so I don't really have to worry about damaging them with the stiffer bristles of these brushes. And I'm just going to be hitting them with some water as I do it. So let's see how clean we can get these things. Alrighty, now I'm just going to let these dry out for a little bit, but as you can see, if we take a look here, this is my driver's side one with the chopped off sides. It's already looking 100 times better. These things are great for your car. If you're like me, I have a super heavy heel and I usually end up putting it about right here. I pivot, back and forth from the gas and the brake, so I end up wearing a hole in the actual mats of my car. So I got these protective ones and they have just been amazing. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and checking out the video. If you have any more questions about the mats, let me know in the comments down below. I'll be leaving a link in the description to some of them, and also the brushes that I used in the drill down in the description below as well. And again, thank you guys so much for stopping by. I hope to see you in my next one.